Hello, how are you? I hope you're doing well. It's Rhonda of Rhonda Said. Welcome to my channel. I hope you're having a great day. I'm going to ask you to like, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell down below. I would really appreciate it. I'm on the journey to 1,700 subscribers. And today I have my Glam Bag X. That's right. And I know that it's like a $336 value. And I can't remember how much the box is because prices have been changing on some of the boxes lately. But I know I think it's $55. If I'm wrong, don't shoot me. But I don't remember everything that's in here, but I know that I was happy with the things that I was going to be getting. So look in here. Oh, it's all chock full of stuff and foam. It's hard to handle. I'll take the foam out, so that'll help a lot. And we've got a nice little magazine, a little newspaper, if you will, telling us about the Glam Bag X. And it is designed by Huda. Huda is the Huda Beauty. And this has got some information about the stuff in the box. And I was able to choose several things. And I'm not going to worry about keeping track of how much the box is because I already know that it's $334 worth of value. And I'll just go through and see if I can't find the things that tell me about the items inside and do it in such a way that it's not completely boring. The first thing I see is from Kendra, and it's platinum, and it's a glass spray. Ooh, that sounds good. And that is number 12, and this is love the look of strands with the mirror-like shine, then you'll love moisturizing frizz fighting spray. $23. Let's put it on my hair. My hair's nice and clean, blow dried straight. It's pretty shiny as it is. Ooh. It does look shinier. And it's got a nice, you know, hairstylist kind of smell to it. Very cool. And then next up, I have from Thrive. Oh, this is an add-on. I put the Thrive mascara that has the tubing. I got this for like $12, so I'm very excited to have this. This is an add-on, which they put in with the box. And then from Wishful, let's see, I think it's on this other page. Nope. Oh, here it is, Wishful. The glow boosting formula combines 3 different types of exfoliating ingredients, including acids, enzymes, and buffing beads, to gently whisk away dead skin cells and help resurface your skin like Pro Treatment would. And this is a $39 value. Oh, this was like $23. So that's very cool. Let's take a look at the box. Let me get my scissors so I can open this up without damaging the box. Man, this is tough. It does not want to open. Oh, that was really difficult. Oh, this is beautiful. Can you see that iridescence to it? It's like a shimmer purple. It's got purple in the front and it shimmers green and purple. That's very cool. That is very cool. And this is the Yo Glow Facial Enzyme Scrub, $39. Very cool. Nice packaging. Packaging is important, I think. You know, it makes me want to use that like a lot. I want to use that every day. And then this is from Ofra, and this is a midi palette Sitting Pretty. This one's easy to open. Let's see if I can't find anything about that. Nope, but that's okay. We will open it up. Oh, it's a beautiful blush and highlighter palette. That's really gorgeous. And it is called Sitting Pretty. I don't know how much it is, but it's lovely. Next up, we have from Huda Beauty the Glow Cocoa Hydrating Mist. And let's see. Trying to see if I can find it. Huda Beauty, Huda Beauty. There's lots of Huda stuff that you could get. Here it is, an essential in Huda's kit. This multi-use facial mist uses 3 different kinds of coconut oil, milk, and water to prime your skin, set your makeup in place, and refresh dry, dull skin for overall dewy look. And this is $35. And I just put on some makeup, so let's... Oh, it smells really nice. You can really smell the coconut. And that's great if you like coconut, which I do. All right, 35 bucks. Still have quite a few things in here. Next up is from Patrick Ta. And Patrick Ta does a lot of cool stuff. And this is the Major Glow Softening Lip Mask, and she's juicy, and it's $22. And it is a lip balm mask that I will be putting on my lips at night for overnight treatment. And it is gorgeous packaging. Once again, packaging is important. And it twists off. Oh, it has a little, look, it's really pretty. I'm not going to get into it just yet. I still have a lip balm lip mask open. So that's cool. Patrick Ta. He's a cool dude. He does cool stuff. Then from PMD, this is the Clean Vibrating Brush. And it is the Clean Smart Facial Cleansing Device in Warmth. And this is a $99 value. To be honest, there's nothing this super-powered skincare device can't do. Made with ultra-hygienic silicone. Uses sonic vibrations to deep clean, help purify pores, and treat your face to a lifting and toning massage. And you work this in a small circular motion, it says. And it is very cool. Next up, we have from Rare Beauty, the Stay Vulnerable Glossy Lip Balm. And I do love a lip balm. And I sometimes like a gloss. Let's see if I can find it real quick. No, I cannot. But let's take a look at it. I mean, what? It's a balm and it's a gloss. How much more can we really say about it? Oh, it's in a really pretty color. It's got nice packaging. That's very pretty. It's not exactly my color, but it is a beautiful color. And then last but not least, we have the Haze palette from Huda Beauty. And this is really beautiful. And it's the purple one. Purple haze all in my brain. The things don't seem the same. And I really love these little palettes that Huda puts out. And it is gorgeous. And I know I will love this color story. It is beautiful, and I will use that a lot. And this is, I don't know how much it is, but it's lovely. It is lovely. And so this is great. For like 55 bucks, I got this palette, the PMD cleanser brush, a beautiful tinted lip balm, I got the Huda Beauty face spray. I got the great Sitting Pretty palette with blushes and highlighters. I got this great exfoliator from Wishful. I have the Patrick Ta lip balm. And then I have this great glass spray for my hair. And it definitely is super shiny now. And I think it is a great box. I'm happy with it. I definitely got my money's worth. And then also my add-on was the Thrive Mascara. So I'm happy with my box definitely this time around. I hope that you've enjoyed seeing what I got. And have a great day or day of your choice. We'll see you real soon. Bye!